Hello to the different people in this world, nationwide and worldwide. Kumusta, kumusta? How are you? How are you to all of us that are still living in this earth? To all subscriber or not subscriber, to all viewers or not viewers, to all supporters or not supporters. Thank you for all support that I got in my channel. That you are still in my channel, and to those some blogger that are still in my side in my channel, that are still helping from the beginning until now. And some blogger also that their supporters and their subscriber and viewers that they are already support in my channel. So thank you very much, and to all of us that I have here nationwide. Shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries and to the different people in this earth. Shout out Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to my hometown. Shout out to all of us, and thank you that you are still supported also. Some of them, not all. To the both angkan to angkan of my parents, to my nanay and tatay, in my hometown talaga. All barangays there, all our cities, Dinagat Island. Sa Surigao del Norte also, Surigao City, sa Siargao, sa all mainlands. Sleepy pa. It's almost in 3 o'clock. I think 3 o'clock a.m. So I make it video this one, so that I can use the cell phone. And that's why I go to the kitchen to remove some chicken for my cooking for the lunch box of Celine. So once again, thank you so much. Keep safe, and shout out to all of us, and more blessings. Thank you. Ayan, no? At least I have additional naman for my hours. Ay, nako, I don't think so. What's that? That's okay. I'm still in the bedroom, in the room of Celine. Okay. Just wake up. Hello, Colombo. Hello. Mag-go tayo ng time it's 3. Ito yung supply. Ito nag-ready ng ko. Thank you. Okay, and bye. God bless us all. Happy Monday. blessings talaga. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the another life that what I have, for the another blessings and another day, and another life that we are always in a good health. Thank you, thank you.